Farming and painting may be irrelevant, but for farmers in central China's Wuyang County, they are what they have been doing for the past 70 years. Typical farmer paintings are hand-painted with gouache watercolors on paper. With brilliant and vibrant colors, thick lines and exaggerated figure patterns, they are a way for Chinese farmers to depict their vivid rural life and express their views. Originated in the 1950s, Wuyang farmer paintings have been listed on the Provincial Intangible Cultural Heritage List.
我从60年代开始学这个绘画，至今也50多年了。以前画画吧，开始都是从临摹一些什么画，或者画些宣传画，以后画国画，最终我们走向了这个画农民画这个轨道。平常农闲时候带着作品，画些作品。
In recent years, Wuyang farmer paintings have gained popularity nationwide and emerged in major exhibitions at home and abroad. A farmer paintings academy has been established in Wuyang, with over 200 members.
它就是针对每一幅画都有一个相关的一个故事在里边，表达了这个主体都是传递一些正能量，向善、向美，歌颂劳动人民，向往幸福生活。比如说咱这个创意作品，一些这个乡村振兴，这些内容的作品呢，这些年也不断的这个推出来，这也是农民画的一个时代性的一个特征。